good morning. Uy, mute, can we mute, be? Nagpakaon. Ay. Nagpakaon ko ni Francine, tapos tatanaw siya ko. Anawa guys, meron bang ganun guys na allergy sa ano? Sa prutas, si Francine, kumain siya yesterday ng strawberry. Tapos napansin ko, pagkatapos niya kumain, yung kamay niya nagsiswell. May namula-mula. Tapos, murag ng hupong ba? Tapos, kaninang umaga, pagising niya, first time to ganito yung mata niya, guys. Look. Wala na nga yan. Ngayon, may allergy siya. Ata. Kasi wala namang ibang kinain si Francine kahapon. Pinagkain ko ngayon ng cakes. Ayaw kumain. Gustong-gusto pa naman niya ang strawberry. Ayaw yan. Nanonood siya. Tingala siya. Kaya ngalong wala na itingog. Gimute na ako kadyot kay masipiar ta. So, ayun. Hello. So, ako na ning liguon. Limpyuhan. Naligo kasi to kahapon. Hindi ko nililigo araw-araw. Hindi naman madumi dito. Hindi naman madumi si Francine. Lagi ko naman to siyang binawash na. Good morning. Morning. Where are you going? Ta. Mahangin sa labas, be. Mahangin sa labas. Bagyo yung buhok, be. Where are you going? Uy. Wow. Be. Insist. Help little bunny? Help little bunny? Huh? Huh? Tanaw ninyo sa TV. TV? Help little bunny. Help. Sus. Oh. Papa Tard. Francine's turn. Oh! Again. You made it? Oh! Hello guys, good evening. It's still afternoon. It's already 4 something now. Then we decided to make a lechon again. Here I'm almost finished with the spices, guys. I'm chopping now wala kaming tanglad. We don't have what is tanglad in English, eh? The leaves.
Onions, those onion thingies?
Not onions thingy. The leaves actually.
I don't know.
So, ganito yung ginagawa ko pag maglechon. Then, wala kaming tahi-tahi. Kaya, ang ginagamit namin, barbecue stick. So, we use barbecue stick. So, nilalagyan ko siya ng maraming spices para masarap siya. Tapos, if you can see, look here. If you can see, guys. Ay, iyak na ako nito. If you can see, I put loads of pepper here. Loads of pepper. At saka salt. Nilagyan ko siya ng salt. Tapos, yan. Lalagyan ko siya nito ng onion. Sibuyas dahon. At saka onion na. Umiiyak na ako. Frank, show me. Show. Where's... Why umiiyak na ako na sa onion? Gaway ko, Frank. I'm crying actually because of Frank.
What? Hey, don't touch me.
So, nag-chop din ako ng garlic, guys. Ilalagay ko siya sa lechon. At ang exist nito, wait, transfer natin. Kunin muna natin yan dyan. Wait. Tapos, ang exist nito, guys, kasi may susubra siya. Hindi siya magpipit dito lahat. So, i-try ko na malagay siya lahat, pero since I'm sure hindi to siya malalagay lahat kasi ang dami. So, ang mangyayari, whatever na yung mag-i-exist dito, yun yung ilalagay mo dito sa tubig. Ang tubig, lalagyan mo siya. May may ano ako dito.
Or something, I don't know.
Yeah. Tapos, here, ilalagay ko na siya. Tapos, i-roll ko na. So, I need a hand from my husband, friend. So, I need a hand from him. Ilalagay kong ganyan. See, guys? I-roll mo siya. Ang daming ma-i-exist. See, guys? Ito yung lalagyan namin nitong lechon. It looks, ang tindi niya parang pinatay namin yung baboy. But it will be fine. Gaganda din yan pagkat maluto na. So, ito yung tubig at saka yung mga exist nung nilagay ko na spices doon sa lechon, nilagay ko dito. Kasi yung water, mag-steam yan siya to make it, para tutulong yan para maging malasa yung lechon. At saka lalagyan ko siya ng a bit of salt and lalagyan ko siya ng pepper also. May ahos at saka may onion. So, ayan na siya. Tapos, lagay ko na to. Nalagay ko to. Ayan. Tapos, ayan na yung lechon. Lalagay ko siya. Maliit lang siya na belly. Yan. So, then, normal, ang temperature ng oven is 100. At first, guys, ang temperature ng oven, so, ang meat, lutong-luto, talaga, 150 lang muna siya. Para yung meat will really, para ang meat maluto talaga. Tapos, ang next na, pag naluto na lang yung meat, tsaka mo siya ilalagay sa 180 or 200 for 2 to 3 hours. So, ilagay na natin sa oven. So, hindi ko na siya tatakipan. Gaganyan ko lang siya. Gaganyan. Okay. Ayan. So, here, I show you. If you can see, I put it like that on that one. Like that. And then, to 150. At first hour, 150 mo siya. In first hour lang, first 1 hour, 150 mo siya. At saka, para maluto talaga yung sa loob, parang ni-steam mo siya. Pero, sa iba guys, binabrine nila. Pero, kung nagmamadali ka, same as us, na Frank, we just decided now na maglilechon kami. So, it's fine. That is okay. Hindi mo na kailangan i-overnight brining or i-overnight na ilagay sa fridge or whatever. So, it's quick actually. Frank is taking out the lechon now. Oh, you cannot see. Tadang! Ay, init. Napagod siya. It's overcooked. I should have done. See? But it's so crackling. Can you hear that still? Wait, here, and that side is not because it's gone. See? It's really still crackling, pero it's not the same from last time, na? Yeah, and kasi guys, yung last time I just made it 2 hours. This time it's 3 hours and almost 4 hours. See, only in this part is overcooked, pero crackling pa rin siya. Can you click? Click. Can you do this part? Yeah, it's still. Pero nag-overcook siya. Pero I think
It's not overcooked.
It's not?
It's normal like that.
Yeah, but I think the way I put the temperature.
It's just that here.
Yeah.
Which
See, it's
since
soft.
it's so high.
I don't know. Yeah,
it
it's
should
so
be
high.
Should be soft.
Yeah, okay.
Should not all be
So,
crunchy.
Luto na siya. Lechon. May suka ako. Look. Suka. Nilagyan ko siya ng chili paste. Ay, chili paste. Chili powder. Kasi wala akong fresh chili. So, kakain na kami. So, ayun na guys. Thank you all for watching. And see you all again. See you all again on my next video. Siya nga pala, ay, nakalimutan ko anong pangalan niya. Next time na lang. So, have a good night and bye-bye! feel
Hear that?
yeah, I feel filled up already.